Want to keep certain conversations private and out of sight on Viber? Learn how to use Viber's Hidden Chats feature to secure your messages with a PIN. Viber offers a Hidden Chats feature that allows you to remove specific conversations from your main chat list and access them only with a unique PIN code. This adds an extra layer of privacy for sensitive discussions. So, from your Viber app, go to your chats. Then, tap and hold on the chat you want to hide. In the options menu that pops up, tap on Hide Chat. Now, you'll have to type in your 4-digit PIN. There is also the option to reset your PIN in case you don't remember it. Once you type in your PIN, their chat will be hidden. To access the chat again, you'll have to go to the search bar and type down the PIN. There you go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.